Hello everyone and welcome to this new lesson. Today I want to introduce you to a brand new feature in MidJourney called Moodboard. This feature was only recently released and you can find it right here on the left side of your MidJourney web interface. So what is Moodboard? When you open it, you will see this message. When words aren't enough, Moodboard lets you show MidJourney your vision. In simple terms, Moodboard allows you to provide MidJourney with a collection of reference images so the AI understands the overall look, style, and atmosphere you want your final image to have. Now, this is very different from just uploading a single image prompt. With a single image prompt, you are giving MidJourney one picture to work from. But with a Moodboard, you can combine multiple images, textures, and references, and MidJourney will blend their essence together to generate something consistent with that mood. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Here, we have the option to create a new mood board. And once you click it, MidJourney gives you 3 different ways to add images. The first way is upload image. You can directly upload images from your computer. This is perfect if you already have reference photos, textures, or material samples saved locally. The second way is add from link. If your images are already online, you can paste the URL and bring them straight into your Moodboard without downloading them first. And the third way is add from gallery. If you have already generated images inside MidJourney, you can simply pull them from your gallery into the Moodboard. This makes it super easy to build Moodboards from your previous works. As you can see here, I have uploaded 3 images using different methods. This shows how flexible the system is. You can mix photos, renderings, textures, or even material samples. For example, if you upload a wood texture or a stone surface, MidJourney will treat that as part of the mood and try to apply it to the designs it generates. MidJourney will treat that as part of the mood and try to apply it to the designs it generates. This is really powerful because instead of just describing everything in words, you're now giving the AI visual context, and the results become much more aligned with your creative vision. Now let's go back to the previous page. Here you can see that all the images we selected are now collected inside something called My First Moodboard, and you can easily change this name. On this screen, there is also an option that says Use Moodboard as prompt. You can see it here. When you click this option, MidJourney automatically adds a new parameter to your prompt. It starts with $P followed by a unique code. This code is linked directly to your specific mood board. So whenever you add this parameter to a prompt, MidJourney knows to apply the style, color palette, texture, and atmosphere from the images inside that mood board to the new image it generates. In other words, you don't have to re-upload or, describe everything again. That single code acts as a shortcut to tell MidJourney, please generate this image, but keep it consistent with the mood board I already created. This makes the workflow much faster and ensures that the results stay aligned with your chosen references. Now let's write a real prompt and apply our mood board to it. Here is the prompt I'm going to use. Okay. Modern two-story villa. Clean rectilinear massing. Seamless floor to ceiling glazing. Cantilevered upper volume. Deep overhangs. Flush flameless windows. Materials match my mood board. Primary cladding, secondary accent, and textures from mood board. Warm natural tones. Minimal landscape with linear pool. Soft sunlight. Photographic realism. 35mm perspective. Subtle depths of field. Okay. Double dash AR 16:9. Double dash style row. Double dash V6. And I want to add my mood board parameter here. Okay, let's break this down. Modern two-story villa. It defines the main subject and scale of the project. Clean rectilinear massing. It sets the architectural style, very minimal and geometric. Seamless floor to ceiling glazing, cantilevered upper volume, deep overhangs, and flush flameless windows. This describe specific architectural elements that MidJourney should focus on. Materials match my mood board. It tells the AI to use the exact palette and textures from your mood board. Warm natural tones. It adds an overall color atmosphere. Minimal landscape with linear pool and soft sunlight. It sets the context and environment. Photographic realism, 35mm perspective, and subtle depths of field defines the final rendering style. And about the parameters, double dash AR 16:9, double dash style row, and V6 technical parameters, and it's about aspect ratio, style, and version. And about P and the code, this is the Moodboard parameter, which connects the prompt to the specific moodboard we created earlier. When we run this prompt, you will notice that the generated villa not only follows the design description, but also adopts the wood cladding and microcement finishing from our moodboard images. Even the landscape and proportions stay aligned with the references.